It's now the last week of January 2021. As you can see, we had a bit of snow the last 36 hours here in the East Midlands. Probably for the last 6 weeks we've had freezing temperatures, rain, you name it, we've had it. So I've managed to get the concrete base down for the shed and the concrete footings down for the waterfall. As soon as I get better weather, then I can crack on with it. I really hope to have the waterfall up and running by now, but weather's beat me on this one. Fish inactive. They're down in the deeper water down there. Snow looks nice, but it's not ideal for bricklaying, laying slabs, making cement, concrete. Hopefully in the next clip I'd have made further progress. Right, so here we are, end of April. Temperature of the water start warming up now. Fish are getting a bit more active. And as you can see, I've managed to finish the waterfall. Plants are just starting to establish and come up. Come summer, it'll blend in quite nicely. So what I've done, I've moved the shed down there, and that houses the easy pod. Next task is to build the garden room down there for the gym. What I should do next is that grass up the top left there. I shall split and divide that. I'll probably get another 5 plants out of that, and then I'll just stick it at this top bit there. I've already given it one treatment of clover leaf. Once I've done this video, I'll give it another treatment. Keep on top of the blanket weed once it starts growing and establishing. It's a pain to get rid of. As long as you keep on top of it, it's usually quite alright. So, thanks for watching. Next video, hopefully all the plants will be in flower. And it'll be a lot warmer temperature wise.